Hi, I'm Shannon from houseimprovements.com, and I'm going to just give you a really short video today on removing vinyl siding. It's really a fairly simple task. Something that will help you out quite a bit though is purchasing this little siding removing tool, and you can get those at most of the big box stores or siding supply places. So the easiest way to do it is the siding is put on from the bottom, working your way up the wall to the top. So obviously going in the reverse order is the easiest way to do it, especially if you're trying to save the siding or resell it or reuse it or something. So your very top row of siding, chances are the way it worked out that the siding is just cut off to the height it was needed and clipped into either a J-channel or an undersill mold or some kind of molding at the top, and there won't actually be any fasteners up there. That should be how you find it. The odd time you'll find that somebody's put some little nails in it, or maybe even the odd little screw. So you just got to figure out what's holding that top row in and disconnect it. In this case, it's clipped in to this undersill mold here, and that's where this tool comes into play. So I can get the tool up into that molding and basically manipulate it till I find the little clips, and I'll show you what I mean by clips once I get one undone here. I got one undone. We'll just go a little further. There's another one there. It'll be easier once I get the piece out to show you what's holding it in there, what I'm undoing. So I'll just go ahead and go all the way across here. And most times, come on to there. Most times you might not be able to save and reuse that very top row, just depending, sometimes you damage some of the pieces getting them out. We're going to use this tool again to get the bottom unhooked from the row below it. Okay, so we've got that piece out of there, and don't be surprised that there's crud falling out of there, because you get bugs and dirt and stuff in behind vinyl siding. So I've got a joint here, so I might be able to undo this side the easiest. I'm just kind of forcing it out of the J-channel. One of my clips hooked back on. Looks like they all clip back on. Out of there. Okay, so now I can slide it out from over that window, like so. And if you zoom in here, you can see these little clips, and there's a tool that does that. And what it does is it makes this little notch which hooks into the back side of the channel there to keep the piece from being able to fall down. Okay, so we got our top one out. We've got the hardest part done. Now it's down to just removing the nails, and just your hammer or bar or whatever you find works best. And once you got each row of nails undone, just force that piece down. It'll come unhooked from your row below it. But yeah, you can use whatever. Usually a bar I find works the best, or your hammer. So this is just the red bar that you see me use all the time for all kinds of different projects. Just get your nails all out and get your piece out. So I think you basically get the gist. There isn't really too much more difficulty than what you just seen me do there. Probably that top piece is the hardest part to get out. So you just continue your way down the wall, down to the point you need to remove, or maybe you're taking it all off to change it, or whatever the fact might be. So just like I said, it was a quick video, pretty basic, but sometimes a person just doesn't know what's all involved until they see it done. So we just wanted to show you how to remove vinyl siding. Click the thumbs up. Thanks for watching the video, and come visit us on our social media. Thanks a lot.